again.
Welcome to another tutorial on Google Docs, and in this video I'll be showing you how to sign documents in Google Docs. Sometimes you are required to sign a contract agreement with your employer and you'll be looking for ways to sign it. You can easily bring the document to Google Docs and then sign it and submit it. Um, I have tutorials on how to upload document to Google Docs and how to make edits and all that. Check out the links in the description box below. So here I'll be showing you how to sign documents in Google Docs. There are two ways to do that, but before we start, let's open up our document. And the document is open down here. Yeah, so the first way you can sign the document is by navigating to where you want to position the signature. I want my signature to appear at the end of the document, so somewhere here. So what I'll do is I'll go to Insert, you see Drawing, and you click on New. So we are here, then you click on this place, select Scribble. You will have to use your mouse to scribble your signature in this pen. For example, if my signature is Alex, I'll simply draw it. Maybe the L crosses the A, and I have the E on the L, Alex. So this is my signature. So I'll simply click on Save and Close, and it will appear on the document. This is one way you can insert signature in your Google Docs. So the second method by which you can add signature to your Google Docs is by using the add-on menu here. You go to extension, then you click on add-on, then you click on get add-ons. So you type in something like sign, that you can get different type of apps that you can use to sign. Let's try this hello sign. Oh, they couldn't find it. Okay, it's no longer in use. Okay, let's use this Doku up. Same thing. Let's try signature. Okay. Here we have single signature for Google Docs. Let's install it. We're going to allow the app to have access to our email address so that we can use the add-on. If you don't allow it, you won't be able to use it. So you pick up your email address like this, and then scroll down to where it says allow, to allow the app to have access to your Google Docs. So say next. So we click on done. We are done with it. So let's go and find it. Okay, we have it here now. Simple signature for Google Docs. So you just click on it, insert signature. So what you do here is to type your signature, your name, or the name you want to use as a signature on the document. So here I will type, okay, I will remove this and type John Alexander. as my signature. This is the pane where you select how you want it to look like. For example, you can change the uh, typeface for the signature. I think I like this. You can also upload a scanned signature if you have it in your system or anywhere. You can select the files to upload there and then insert it into your signature. You can draw it out. If you don't want to insert, you can draw your signature like this. You can reduce the width to make it thinner so you can draw your signature. But I think I prefer the typeface here, which is, it looks good. So now let's save it. So we can now insert it into, we have to now, this, we can now insert it into the document. So when you are done inserting your signature, you can close this thing here. So that is how to insert a signature into your Google Docs. It's very easy and it also looks beautiful. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below and also watch other tutorials on Google Docs. I'll leave the links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.